Hey guys, how's it going? I'm coming to you with a quick tutorial about how I set up my Hobie Outback. Alright, so I'm getting ready to install this rail system. I guess I keep calling it a rail, but it's a track. And this is the new extruded aluminum track from Ram. So this is where you'll insert the piece that goes into the track. And then this is a stopper to prevent it from popping out. And I'm gonna actually install this on both of them. I already installed it on this one. What I like to do is mark the holes. And while it's still on, I'll do the center one first. I'll just take my screwdriver and start this one a little bit. These ones I'm going to put silicone on, just because they're a little bit more exposed. And then what I'm using is these 8x32 nylon lock nuts and then flat washers. So I just added the washer and the lock nut and found the easiest way is to use this power drill to be able to tighten it. I have a socket wrench on the back side and I just run it until it tightens up snug. Crank it a couple times with the socket wrench and then move on to the next one. Alright, so the very last one that I want to do is this one right here. This is the most important one, otherwise it would just pop out. But if you guys were connecting different tracks together, say you're making a longer track, then you'll want to put the insert there, but obviously I can't do that here. There's an insert that connects two together. So I'm going to do that one and then lock these down. I got my stopper cap on it. That's going to prevent it from getting in the way of the rod holder right here. And that should be good to go. I'll be able to mount my rod holders up here. Luckily I have access to the hole, so that makes it nice. But if I didn't, I would have to use rivets, and I'm glad I don't. I personally just like screws anyway. This is the last bit that I need to do for these rod holder tracks, and I will be good to go. Alright, those tracks are done. Alright, so the nice thing about these tracks is you can put accessories like this on. This one is the ram rod holder. So there's two different ways you can install this. You can either detach these and slide these pieces on, or you could pop it through the back side, which I don't like to, just mainly because I would like to prevent the wear from this. This is Ram's post spline, so it's keyed. The nice thing about this one, the beneficial part about it, is that it won't rotate, and then you can adjust it wherever you want. You can slide this rail back now, lock it down, angle that, and it's good to go. Okay, so now you can see some of the stuff that I did today. I added these rails These are all the aluminum extruded rails from Ram. There's my Hobie for right now. And that is your quick tutorial with your track mounts. Alright guys, so I'm in the last slide of the day and hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Hopefully it helps you out with setting up your Hobie or adding the rails onto whatever kayak you would like. I'll leave all of the tools and the parts that I used down in the description below, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.